What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to be going through my favorite setups for the upcoming week, giving you the levels, my exact game plan, how I'm going to handle the trade. But as always, before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click the thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Last week we had earnings. We've had quite a few stocks that have gapped down on the daily time frame. And what this does is sets up for one of my favorite type of day trades slash swing trades. I treat them as day trades personally. And that's what we're going to be looking at today. I'm going to give you all them levels, the stocks, my top watches for this upcoming week. First on the list is Meta, ticker META, formerly known as Facebook. Simply watching for a break above 102.5. I would imagine 103 all the way up to the 105 strike price on the call options will work for this day trade. We got a huge gap on the daily all the way up to 128.53. Do I think we'll reach that in one day? No, I do not. I do think once we get into that gap, we build a base above that level, we will have a nice move to the upside, and I will be looking to enter that trade above that 102.5. Again, we're watching level 2. When we take these breakout trades like this, we're watching level 2. We want the bids to hold above that level. We want the size to increase on the bids. And an increase in buying volume adds to the probability. Remember, 3 confirmations signals us to enter a trade. The more things you have working in your favor while day trading, the better. Another stock I'm watching, Microsoft, ticker MSFT. Same type of trade here, looking for a gap fill trade above 238.3. 240 calls will be what I will use for this trade for sure. We have room all the way up to 245.83. I don't know if we'll see that all in one day, but it is very possible for Microsoft to move that much. Be sure you're trimming and adjusting your stop loss as you go. If you fall below the 90 EMA on the 5-minute time frame or fall below that level, have 2 or 3 1-minute candles open below it, simply stop out for a small loss. Be sure you manage your risk, because that's what it's all about as a day trader, managing your risk. Do not blow your accounts. Do not be someone that, keeps averaging down trying to save a trade. Stick with the original plan that you should have created pre-market. Third stock I'm watching today is Amazon, ticker AMZN. Gap down due to earnings. All these setups are the same. I like it above 103.9. We can say 104. For a gap fill trade, we have room all the way up to 109.7. Will I be in this trade that long? Probably not. I will get in, trim, move my stop loss. When it triggers my stop loss, I'll be out. And I will not give back profits after my first trim. That's just how I personally handle trades. I do not like giving back my profits. I guess I'm a bit greedy. The same setup here, had a gap down on the daily time frame. Keep in mind, these gap fill trades can only be identified on the daily time frame. I've had really good luck out of trading gap fills. Team Bull has the members have done really well, made really good profits entering these trades with me. But I'm watching Google above 98.3. As you can see, the gap fill would be at 102.72. Same thing as the other ones. Be sure you're, trimming, locking in profit, moving your stop loss. Now, I will say this about Google. A lot of people ask me which ticker I'm trading. I trade GOOGL. Do not get it confused. I know there's multiple tickers that have to do with Google. But that's all I have for the weekly watch list. I hope you all have a great trading week. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Appreciate you all for watching. I'll catch you next time.